everyone, and welcome to PC Tips Pro. Do you want to clean up your Gmail inbox without deleting important emails? Then, in today's video, I'll show you how to archive emails in Gmail, why you should do it, and how to easily find those emails later. So, let's just jump right in. Archiving an email in Gmail simply means moving it out of your inbox, but not deleting it. The email is stored safely and you can search for it anytime. This helps you clean up your inbox and focus only on the emails that need action while keeping everything else stored away. Now, to archive an email on your computer, open Gmail and go to your inbox. Hover over the email you want to archive and then click on this little drop down arrow that says archive. If you click on it, the email disappears from your inbox, but it is still stored in your Gmail account. Alright, you archived something important. Now, how do you find it? Well, Gmail doesn't have a separate archive folder. Instead, archived emails are stored in all mail. So, click on More on the left sidebar, then click on All Mail, and here you'll see every email, including those you've archived. You can also find archived emails by just using the Gmail advanced search bar. Here, if you type the sender's name, subject, or even an important keyword and then click on the search option, then you will find your archived email. Now, if you need to bring an archived email back to your inbox, just click on that email and then at the top from the toolbar, click on the Move to Inbox option. And then it will go right back to your inbox. You can check it from here, and there it appears. So that's it. That is how you archive emails in Gmail. It is a great way to keep your inbox clean while keeping your important messages safe and searchable. So, if this video helped you out, give it a like and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more easy Gmail tips. And let me know in the comments if you have any queries regarding this video. Thank you and have a nice day.